Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an OnlyFans agency and take it from 0 to 20K a month. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from OFM.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at OFM.com or at OFM on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. Now, I must admit, I did make the title a little clickbaity by chucking some zeros in there, chucking some dollar signs in there, because I noticed that's what everyone else is doing. But it is most definitely possible using the basic framework that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to run you through our Empire Blueprint. Why is it called Empire Blueprint? Well, your OnlyFans Empire, URF Empire, Empire Forums, Empire Blueprint. Now, this isn't the basic framework for setting up the agency itself. This is for getting a new model, but the bedrock of your agency is setting up and making money with models. So I'm going to run you through the blueprint for setting up a model, making money with her, and then automating it and rinsing and repeating the process. So we're going to start off. Now, we're going to assume you don't have a model yet. Otherwise, you might not be watching this video. So first, you'll want to social proof your agency. I've gone over this in other videos. It's on the Empire Forum. You want to social proof your agency. You want some social proof. You want some earnings revenue screenshots so that when the model sees your page, she goes, okay, they know what they're doing, all right? So you're going to want that. Otherwise, models aren't even going to respond to your DMs. If I keep looking this way, it's because there's a massive bearded dragon lizard next to me. Don't ask. And apparently their bodies think it's mating season, even though it's not mating season. But I don't know, something about the temperature. I don't know. Their bodies think it's mating season. So he's all super top G staring me down at the moment. But you need to get some fresh air just like the rest of us. So, all right. So, okay. So you're going to start off pitching the model, obviously. Now that starts off with a cold DM. If you've seen my other videos, I recommend using a voice message to pique curiosity, because every Momo and his dog sends a copied and pasted text message and they're easy to ignore. But a voice message, they see it pop up in their requests folder of the Instagram and they see voice message and they go, oh, okay, I want to listen. So voice message, then get her interest. She says yes, send her a secondary message. Still interested? Awesome. Then you send her the Google Doc link with the service agreement. All right, done. Now, we're going to assume she signs it. All right, she signed. Welcome. You got your new model, you get your first model. Awesome. Okay, now we've got to set up the admin. Now it's easy to jump the gun and start going to make some money with the model, but if you're not setting up the foundation, everything will come crumbling down. Now, also you want to set up everything for when you scale. You have to assume that you're going to scale big. If you're not aiming for the stars, then you're better off watching Netflix or something, because I'm going to assume you're aiming for the stars like we all are. So you'll be setting up the admin as though your agency is already big, because then it saves you doing it later on. So the model is signed, okay? Now you're going to set up the admin. You're going to prepare the blank model sheet in the master spreadsheet. Where is all this stuff that I'm talking about? Boom, Empire Forums. It's all there, baby, all there. Everything you see used in this blueprint, it's all there. And I do dabble in some of it on these YouTube videos as well. So you can prepare the blank model sheet in the master spreadsheet. The master spreadsheet is the one that controls everything for your agency. It has your passwords, has your usernames, has your model info, has the login info, has your earnings, has your incomings, outgoings, etc. Now, there will be a blank model tab that will already have everything pre-filled out. Now, when you get your first model, you will input your information. That's what I mean by preparing the blank model sheet in master spreadsheet. Then you'll prepare the client's file, invoices, the raw content and contract folders. Where is that? Boom. Invoices, raw. This will be the one that you'll be sharing with her on the Google Drive. I've gone over this in other videos. So this is the blank model file framework template blueprint. All right. So be preparing that because you want to run a tidy ship. You want everything to be easily accessible. You have to assume that this is going to grow big and you want to easily be able to find the pictures, the different content, the invoices, blah, 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 the contract. Okay. Now, The Google Doc has been signed. Now you simply download it from the Google Docs into the service agreement, into the contract folder, service agreement folder, right there. Where are we? I lost it. All right. Now you're going to upload this client's folder, the blank folder, to the Google Drive, and then you're going to share that raw folder, as I spoke about, with the client's email, and then you're going to copy a link, send her the link. Then you're going to send her the onboarding email with the welcome letter, minimum requirements. Oh, where do I find this? Where do I find? Boom. Boom. That'll probably be signing, onboarding, setting up, all of it. Okay. Then you're going to send the thank you email after you receive the login, because, you know, in the email, you're going to request login information, stuff like that. Then you're going to send her a thank you, blah, blah, blah. Let's do this. Let's start, blah, blah, blah. You know, get her hyped up. Then you're going to set up the OnlyFans. Now you're going to set up an incognito browser with a proxy IP. Oh, how do I do that? Boom. Okay. Then you're going to set the subscription price and bundles. I mentioned that in other videos. You're going to optimize the bio for maximum conversion. You don't want it to look too commercial. Hang on, I'm checking on this. There we go. It'd be funny if I was just making this up and there was no lizard next to me, but no, he's eyeing me down. He's feeling pretty top G at the moment. All right, so set subscription price and bundles, optimize the bio, that's what I was saying. You don't want to look too commercial, otherwise you won't get a high conversion rate, because guys don't want to feel like they're entering eBay, they want to feel like they're entering the behind the scenes of a girl's life. Then you're going to add the welcome post, pin to the top, add a welcome message, hey, how are you? Something simple that doesn't look automated, but is automatically sent to the subs. Then you're going to schedule your first 7 days of content. Boom, that's set up. Now you're going to set up her primary socials, do this preferably on a incognito browser profile, or you can do it on a phone, depending which way you want to go about it. You can do it on both. So you're going to set up the main Instagram, the main Twitter, the main TikTok, the main link tree, which is the funnel. Then you set up the traffic funnels, which is placing that inside that, and kind of that when you got over 1,000 followers, and then in that. Now, set up the dating app funnel, because this is going to be one of your main traffic sources. So you're going to purchase the SIM card, set up a fresh phone. I say phone because that's what we do, less fucking around. Start off with one phone. Don't start off buying 10 iPhones and going in balls deep. Start off with one. Once you know what you're doing, once you know how to set up an account without it getting flagged, without it getting shadow banned, without it getting banned, then you scale. A lot of people buy or outsource and hire someone to set up 150 dating app accounts before they even know how to set one up successfully themselves, and then they wonder where all the money went. So that's why I say start off with one. Then you're going to create the Tinder profile, create the Bumble profile. Later on, you can experiment with other dating apps, but these are definitely by far the main traffic generators. Then you're going to warm up both accounts, add funnel to bio. What's the funnel? Oh, there's a little secret saucy one I put on here, because Instagram, Snapchat, you know, they're definitely kicking on. So you got to get creative. You got to start hiding it real well. That's what I mean by add the funnel to the bio. Then set up Reddit funnel, which is another main traffic generator. So you're going to set up the new Reddit account, Farm Karma. Then you're going to link the accounts postpone or social rise to schedule content. Then you're going to schedule 7 days of Reddit content. So now you've got 7 days of Reddit content scheduled. You got 7 days of the OnlyFans content schedule. Add funnel to bio. Oh, what's the funnel? Boom, something like that in there. Okay, now I'm just going to read this out. Note that this is the basic starting point for getting your new model up and running. Once you've got that part sorted, then you can turn to the Empire forums for all the support and guidance you need to scale your agency to the moon. Now, this is the basic model framework for setting up a new model. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, so once you've done this and you've got traffic coming in, then you're going to have to start chatting. Yes, you're going to have to start chatting yourself. Don't start outsourcing until the account has over about 70 subs. Otherwise, you're just spending money before you're even making any money. Once the account has over 70 subs, then you start outsourcing, hiring chatters and all that. Yeah, but how do I do that? Boom. That would probably fall under virtual assistants. So you got your model, starting to get some traffic. You're chatting, okay? It's grown bigger. It's got over 70 subs now. Far out. This is awesome. Oh my God, this is so sick. Now it's time to outsource, get some chatters going, even get a VA to start doing the instas for you, whatever, how to pay them, how to find, blah, blah, blah. Oh, where's that? Yeah, boom. Okay. Now, once that's outsourced and you've got that running like a clock, Then, guess what? Start again, baby. Start again. Then you go pitch another model. Signer, set up the admin, blah, 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 blah. And then outsource. Boom. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Boom. 20K a month. And that's it. So I thought I'd just give a basic rundown of how to start an agency and take it from $0 to 20K a month. And I want to sum it up and take away all the BS. I don't want to fill it in with all this garbage and, all these animations and all the shit that you already know. That is literally the recipe. I've just given you the recipe. Now you just, it's like that scene on The Matrix. Morpheus says to Neo, he says, I can only show you the door, but you have to be the one to walk through it. I think that's what he says. I can only show you the door. This is the door. This is the door. This is definitely the door. Empire Forums is definitely the door. Look, I'm not even exaggerating. Let's show you. Let's show you. Oh my, it's all happening. Look, you got the chat room. You got the proxies. You got the signing and onboarding. You got the blah, blah, blah. You got the chatting. Oh yeah, I love this part. Like, if I was starting out and I knew there was a place where there's just like a whole inventory of different chatting scripts, my fuck, I would have got my agency off the ground much sooner if I had this. That's why I made it. I made it because I think about what would have I wanted when I started, and this is it. So boom, you get the automation because you got to cover AI. ChatGPT is taking off, the AI models, image generators taking off, blah blah. And then it's all fucking happening. Yeah. So this is the door, all right. But you have to be the one to walk through it, and that's it. So if you like the videos, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the Empire Forums, baby. Have a good day.